Hi everyone, in today's quick video I will show you what to use instead of accentColor modifier in SwiftUI, which has been deprecated in the new versions. So I picked up this example here because this was something else, but here we have one simple button with button style border prominent, and the default accentColor is blue one. So you can still use accentColor, which will be deprecated in the future versions of iOS. And what you can use here is, if you want yellow color, then this button will be yellow. Okay, just a second. But what is now the default way to add accentColor is actually to use assets in your iOS project. So when you open assets, you use right click, new color set, and what you should do is just name it accentColor. For the sake of this tutorial, I will just use one appearance, no light and dark, and I will use green color. So enter. Now we have accentColor that is some version of green. And now when I return to my example, you will see that now the button will be green color. So this is a default accentColor for this project. You can still use accentColor modifier, but I don't know for how long it will be possible to use it. That's just that. But this is now the default way to use accentColor in SwiftUI iOS project. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can find a lot more interesting content about SwiftUI topic, and see you in the next video.